What's up guys, it's me Gmail. So here the Sony A6400. So how to change the setting for the face and eyes. Turn on the camera, go to the menu. So right now we are at the menu, as you can see. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, once are you at the menu, go to camera setting 1. Once are you in the camera setting, now you go to face and eyes. Okay, here we go, face and eyes. On the page 6 of the camera setting 1, here we can select the face and eye setting on or off. Normally I put on the right and left eyes for auto. You can even select the left eyes or right eyes as you want. Auto work best for me. Yeah, camera setting 1, page 6. So here how you do. Subscribe and bye.